How do I trim whitespace? Is there a Python function that will trim whitespace, spaces and tabs, from a string? So that given input, \t example string \t becomes example string.
For whitespace on both sides, use str.strip. For whitespace on the right side, use str.rstrip. For whitespace on the left side, use str.lstrip. You can provide an argument to strip arbitrary characters to any of these functions, like this. This will strip any space, \t, \n, or \a characters from both sides of the string. The examples above only remove strings from the left-hand and right-hand sides of strings. If you want to also remove characters from the middle of a string, try re.sub. That should print out. In Python, trim methods are named strip.
For leading and trailing whitespace. Otherwise, a regular expression works.
You can also use very simple and basic function, str_replace, works with the whitespaces and tabs. Simple and easy.
Isn't that what kind of